This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cole Belter. Enjoy maintenance-free living in this lovely 2-bed, 2-bath home. Placed in the gated Pelican Preserve community, this must-see ranch home has been extremely well maintained and leaves room for endless possibilities. The fabulous community also offers full upscale amenities like pools, tennis courts, fitness center, tennis courts, pickleball courts, and walking ways for biking. Enter inside the foyer with high ceilings and immediately admire the open main living area with seamless entertainment to the living room, and kitchen. This open kitchen comes fully equipped with all appliances, ample cabinetry, beautiful countertops, and room for bar seating. Across from the living room, sliding glass doors open up to the patio into a spacious backyard. The master suite has plush carpeting and neutral interior. The master suite includes a large attached full bath with dual sinks, and walk-in shower. You will find the additional bedroom with a neutral interior and plush carpeting as well. Other features include a patio and attached 2-car garage with additional storage and parking for guests. For more information, review the details below or contact Cole Belter at 239-659-4200.